In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert videos in PowerPoint quickly and correctly. Whether you're creating a school presentation, a business report, or a professional slideshow, adding a video can make your presentation more engaging and dynamic. I'll walk you through each step from start to finish so you can follow along easily. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important tips. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint guides just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and locate your presentation file. For this example, we're going to open a file called Presentation 3. Go ahead and double-click Presentation 3 to open it. Once the presentation loads, navigate to the slide where you want to insert the video. It's always best to decide in advance which slide should contain the video, so your layout stays clean and organized. Now that you're on the correct slide, look at the top of your screen and find the ribbon menu. Click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab contains all the tools you need to add different types of content to your slides, including images, shapes, charts, and of course, videos. Inside the Insert tab, move your attention to the Media group. Here, you'll see an option labeled Video. Click on Video. As soon as you click it, a drop-down menu or dialog option will appear, depending on your PowerPoint version. Choose the option that allows you to insert a video from your device. This will open the Insert Video dialog box. In the Insert Video dialog box, you'll now browse your computer for the video file you want to add. Navigate to the folder where your video is saved. For this example, we'll select a file named Project File. Click once on the video file to highlight it, and then click on the Insert button at the bottom of the dialog box. As soon as you click Insert, PowerPoint will place the video directly onto your selected slide. You'll see the video appear in the slide workspace. At this point, the video may not be perfectly positioned, and that's completely normal. To adjust the position of the video, click directly on it. When you click the video, you'll see a border appear around it with small circles on the corners and sides. These are resizing handles. To move the video, place your cursor over the video frame, then click and drag it to desired location on the slide. You can center it, align it to one side, or position it anywhere that fits your slide design. If you need to resize the video, move your cursor to one of the corner handles. Click and drag inward to make the video smaller, or drag outward to make it larger. It's recommended to resize using the corner handles rather than the side handles, so you maintain the correct aspect ratio and avoid stretching the video. Take a moment to adjust both the size and position until the video fits nicely within your slide layout. Make sure it doesn't overlap important text or design elements. A clean layout makes your presentation look much more professional. Once your video is positioned correctly, you can test it by clicking the play button that appears on the video preview, or by starting the slideshow to see how it looks in presentation mode. This ensures everything works smoothly before presenting to your audience. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a video into your PowerPoint slide, adjusted its position, and resized it to fit your layout perfectly. As you can see, it's a simple process once you know where to find the right options. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step PowerPoint tutorials. I regularly post easy guides to help you improve your productivity and presentation skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.